How to fix Pace is not available right now, Instagram, iPhone. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. If you are saying this, then it can be super frustrating, but it is usually fixable. So here is how to fix it. First of all, check your internet connection. All you have to do is drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen, and you can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if your Wi-Fi is not connected properly, or you can also turn on your airplane mode and turn it off for your Wi-Fi glitches to be fixed. Then go to the home screen, then simply tap on the App Store option available there. Now once inside the App Store, search for the Instagram and hit enter. Then all you have to do is tap on the Instagram option available there, and if you see update option available, simply update it to the latest version, because outdated versions can cause page loading errors. Now once done so, go back to the home screen again, and now all you have to do is simply tap on the settings app option available there, then scroll down and tap on the general, then again scroll down, tap on the iPhone storage option available in there. So once inside iPhone storage, look for the Instagram app, scroll down and tap on it. Once inside Instagram, you'll get to see upload app option available there. Simply tap on the upload app and reinstall the Instagram. So this clear cache but keeps your login info. Unfortunately, iPhone does not let you clear app cache directly, so this is what you can do. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.